Ever dreamt of having your own peaceful Zen garden retreat right at home? Zen gardens are a sanctuary of tranquility, offering stress relief and sparking creativity. They are a beautiful fusion of nature and mindfulness, a refuge in your own backyard. Now let's dive into the top 7 ways to create your own Zen garden retreat. Firstly, location is key. Consider sunlight, noise levels, and privacy when choosing your Zen garden's home. So pick a spot that speaks to your soul. Secondly, embrace simplicity. Minimalistic design in Zen gardens accentuates simplicity, natural elements, and balance. Remember, less is often more in a Zen garden. Thirdly, choose your green companions wisely. Prioritize plants that are easy to care for and breathe tranquility into your Zen space. Choose plants that not only look beautiful, but also make you feel calm and serene. Fourthly, water brings life and tranquility. Its soothing sounds and reflective properties add another layer of serenity. Whether a small pond or a fountain, water can be a calming presence in your garden. Fifthly, let rocks and sand be your canvas. They bring a natural aesthetic and serve as tools for mindful meditation. The arrangement of these elements can become a meditative practice in itself. Sixthly, pave the way to serenity. Pathways in Zen gardens guide us, adding a sense of journey. A pathway can lead not just through your garden, but towards inner peace. Lastly, keep your Zen garden in top shape. Regular upkeep ensures its serenity and allure. Taking care of your Zen garden can be a therapeutic process, offering you moments of peace and mindfulness. These are the top 7 ways to create your own serene Zen garden retreat. From selecting the right location to maintaining your tranquil oasis, a Zen garden holds the potential to enrich your well-being and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Here's to finding your Zen.